welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. In this video I'm going to be showing you the 26 items that I made for my family this Christmas, starting off with the youngest, literally a newborn. I made this little crochet duck with a cute little headband on it. It's so cute, it's so soft. We got this duck right, okay? And then we also have a little beanie with a flower on it. We also have matching flowered booties to go with the beanie. For the hat and the booties, it is from Maisie and Ruth Easy Crochet Baby Hat and Easy Crochet Baby Booties. And then the duck is from HookArt Easy Duck Crochet Tutorial. Clock it, clock it. So next, we're going up a year. I made this another duck. And then they're also getting this Let's Learn Spanish book. For this little guy, I followed 1 Cent Crochet's crochet duck tutorial. It was super easy, and then I got a little container, put it inside, and put some beads in the container, so it's also a little rattle. The next thing that we have, I'm going to be giving this to my little cousin. It is a Build-A-Bear with a pop star outfit, because my little cousin, she is a diva. She is the diva. And so I made this crochet headband, but that's not it. I also made a matching crochet headband so she can wear with her bunny friend, and they'll look fabulous. The next gift is actually way too cool. It's probably one of the coolest hats I've ever made. Let me just show you. We got Sonic the Hedgehog. I think it came out so good. I don't want to put it on because I don't want to get makeup on it, so I'm gonna put it on Jessica here. I'm honestly so happy and proud of how this came out. I'm actually a little bit mad. I'm a little bit mad because I have to give this away now. What are you talking about? For the next gift, we're moving up in age a little bit. I made this Creeper Minecraft wallet. And inside, I'll be putting a Roblox gift card in it. The only thing is that the Roblox card doesn't exactly fit the way I was hoping it was going to. But that's fine. Maybe I can like cut around it, make it smaller or something. I don't know. Did follow a grid pattern from Pinterest, and then I kind of just freehanded the rest of it. This next gift is for a book lover, so I made them a little crochet mushroom bookmark. This one is by CrochetTreasure, How to Crochet a Mushroom Bookmark. And it came out perfect. This next one I freehanded, and I'm also very proud of it. It's a fish koozie for your beverages. This guy came out so cool. Looks like he's screaming. Next gift, we got these fingerless crochet granny square gloves. I love the colors on them. I followed Hannah Drapinski, her granny square fingerless glove tutorial. Next gift is for the same person. I also made them a Shrek headband. It's gonna look like that. I freehanded the headband part and like added an elastic to make it stretchy. For the Shrek ears, I followed Bianka Bowman's Let's Crochet Some Shrek Ears tutorial. I think they're gonna love this gift. Next gift, this is actually the mother of the newborn of the gift that I showed you in the beginning. Yeah, she got a super plush little headband here. And then she's also gonna get a little matching headband for the baby. Because duh. For this headband, I followed ItsNotKnit, How to Make a Cozy Crochet Ear Warmer / Headband. And then I just kind of adjusted it to make the smaller one for a baby. I'm so excited, it's gonna be so cute. For the next item, I made the hoodie scarf. This is the hood, and here's the scarf. And it actually goes perfect with what I'm wearing. I did freehand this specifically, but look, I can pull up a tutorial for you real quick. We have one by Kxthe, I think that's how you pronounce it, hooded scarf crochet tutorial. Oh my god, I almost dropped my laptop. VivCrochets. So that's 2 right there for you. The next item is this, it's probably hard to see, it's this black crochet lighter holder. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, pause. I ended up adding this retractable keychain instead, and I think it made it 100 times better, and that's it. Okay, bye. For the next 3 gifts, they're the same, but they're for 3 different people. They will be getting this little koozie that has a handle on it. We got it in this mocha gingerbread color. We got one in red. We got one in green too, very festive. Let me know which one is your favorite. I might have to make another one for myself. Now for these bad boys, I followed Crochet with Julie's diamond crochet stitch tutorial to do this like cool texture on it, if you can see. And then I followed Crochet with Il-J, how to crochet a can cozy with handle. So I kind of like mixed the tutorials to come up with this guy. Right, next gift is for my parents. I made my mom a really pretty headband. This one is from Winding Road Crochet's ear warmer pattern tutorial on YouTube. And then for my dad, I made him a little plant holder with his initial on it because I keep getting him plants and they keep growing and thriving, so I have to get him more. And this is not crochet, but I just wanted to throw it in here. These little paintings are for my parents, and my dog did this, my dog Luna. So squirted some paint on the canvas, stuck it in a bag, put some wet food on the bag. She licked the bag, we took it out of the bag, and this is what we got. She's quite the artist, actually. They came out pretty good. Next gift is this little book holder, granny square book holder. We got a lot of granny squares in these gifts, so as you can imagine, there was a lot of ends that needed to be weaved in. I love the colors. I used 2 different yarns that were both like color changing. The next 2 gifts I actually shipped off to my coworkers, and they are granny square crossbody bags. We did this colorway and then this one too. I also lined them and added zippers. I'm excited for them to get the gifts, and then we're gonna do our little gift exchange. That's gonna be so fun. And now we are coming up on our last gifts. These are for my grandma. I made her a little chicken plushie. I did follow Stellar Crafts chicken crochet amigurumi pattern. Okay, and then this last one I freehanded, and it's a frog coin purse. So you open it, that's the inside of its mouth, and his belly, that's just his little face. And it came out so cute. It reminds me of the one from Naruto, of course. That was everything that I crocheted, but I got some bonus items here. I had decided for a moment that I wanted to make the gift boxes for my crocheted items, because I was thinking in my head, like, you know, I took so much time making these things. I don't want to just throw them in a bag. So I made these little gingerbread houses out of tissue box and cardboard, and I painted it. And hey, it was a great idea. Very ambitious, honestly, but I don't think I have enough time to make a gift box for every single gift that I made this year, unfortunately. We do have 2 though. We got the little wreaths and the bow, and that's what it looks like inside. Maybe next year, you know, it's a great idea, and I have a lot of cardboard, so I might just start now and save them for next year. Okay, my favorite thing about them though, ASMR lovers, come here, come here. I feel like this makes great sounds. Just. So that was everything that I crocheted for Christmas 2024. When did I start? I started around November 14th, November 18th, and I was able to finish December 20th, 5 days before Christmas. Thank you. I did it. I did it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and hopefully this gave you some gift ideas. Maybe not just for Christmas, but for birthdays and other special occasions. or just inspiration for things you want to make for yourself. Because I think I'm gonna make myself that little koozie. I'm gonna make myself that fluffy headband. Looks really comfortable. The hood scarf, I actually need one of those. And the chicken, because I think I would be happy every morning if I woke up and I just saw that little fluffy chicken sitting next to my bed. All right, you guys be safe. I'll see you soon. Bye.